everyone, welcome to Chanel Family Fun TV.
And today,
Did I say it right? Welcome to Chanel Family Fun TV.
And
Today,
we're gonna be opening LOL
which LOL is this, Miracle? This is the Glam
Glitter.
Glitter. All right, you guys, this is our first one. Wait a minute, Miracle. Should we open the LOL on the wraps next? Or should we open the LOL pets next? This is just a few of our things from the Mom Can't Say No video the other day.
Yes.
We have lots more. But let's get to opening, Miracle.
Yeah.
Pop it open.
The first one.
Got that off. Thank you, Miracle. Oh, I spy. All right. It's a little bomb on there. And some stars.
So that means you will stop.
So you got it, Miracle? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what's in there. Wow, so many layers. Can I help?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, now there's so many layers to this. Let me take this off, Miracle.
What is?
I don't know, let's see.
I think.
It says, I'm waiting, darling.
I
Let me out of here.
I think she's spits or cries or tickles or touches.
I think she spits. It looks like she spits out of her mouth. We'll see in a minute, you guys.
Yeah.
I know you were pretty excited to get one of these the other day, right, Miracle?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, Miracle, look. Take it down like that. You need to take it off like this. Can Mommy please help? Oh. Okay. Go ahead. You got it, Miracle. I wonder what's in there, friends.
You can do this.
No, I'll let you do it.
Now you do it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I think you do it from there.
Did I get it right?
I think I can help you with that.
Oh, thank you, Miracle.
There. Here.
I'm going to take these and put these over there.
Here.
So you guys, we're excited to be back to YouTube,
Yeah.
doing some videos, doing what we love to do best, right, Miracle? How do we open this? Do we take it open?
You're giving
Whoa.
me scissors?
Yes, ma'am. How many prizes do we have in here?
I don't know. Ooh, it's
Bum, bum,
glittering.
ba-dum.
Mama, look.
It's a baba. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 prizes in here.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
I like it.
Oh, hold up. 5, 6 going on. I wonder who did we get?
Me.
Look, you guys. Miracle, I hope we got Kitty Queen, we got the Queen, we got Sugar, we got Spice.
Mama, I hope we get sugar.
So you want Sugar?
Yeah, I want
All right, you guys.
sugar.
Miracle wants Sugar. So I hope we get Sugar.
But Mama wants spice.
And here she is again up close. This is the one she's hoping she gets. But Mom wants, oh yeah, I want Neon. It's so cute. We're gonna have to open the other for tomorrow because I hope we get it.
Wait, no, let's not open that yet.
Okay.
That will be a surprise.
Look at the cute little shoes and the baba. Isn't that so rad?
Some shade.
Look at it with so many layers to the LOL.
Mama, I think it's her.
What do you think it
I
is?
think it's sugar. I think it's
What
sugar.
do Miracle think it is?
I think it's sugar. This is not the good thing yet. What is it?
You guys, I'm gonna let Miracle pull her out.
I don't
Oh my god!
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, Miracle, we got neon! I'm sorry. You guys, Miracle's mad because I think we got neon, which is the one Mom wanted. I'm psychic. I'm gonna have to start my psychic channel next because I guessed it right, you guys. And I know you gotta leave some comments in the box below and ask me how did I know, but I know. I'm so sorry. We'll open up another one tomorrow. Okay, you guys, we got neon. This is the one Mom wanted. This is neon cutie. I think she cries and she spits. Oh my god! Wish we got a rare one, but this one works. All right, Miracle, let's get her dressed. All right, Dad, zoom in on this. This is neon. All right, Miracle, can we get a dress? Don't let your friends see you so sad. Okay. You want to dip her in the water now? Or you want her to try and put her outfit first? You guys, Miracle is being a party pooper. Because we are going to open another one. How about that? Will that make you happy, Miracle?
Yeah, but I hope we got the baby sugar doll.
Okay, we're going to open up another one, you guys. Right after this one because my baby is sad. But I'm happy. So we're going to open up another one for Miracle. Right, Miracle? Let's show your friends you're smiling. You got to be a big girl. Miracle. Chanel. Look. Sign your LOL. You guys, she's mad at me. Look, Miracle. Turn around and look. Let's dip her in the water. Look, Miracle. Look, you guys. We have neon. She is so cute and adorable. Isn't she? Look at her little outfit. Dad, zoom in on her little outfit. She's so cute. Isn't she so adorable? She has the cutest little glittery outfit on. Miracle, look at neon, please. You want to dip her in the water or you want me to do it? So we're going to get her undressed. She is so cute. I can't wait till Miracle opens her baby tomorrow. I'm a psychic, so I know she's going to get it tomorrow. Right, Miracle? Let's put her in, Miracle. Let's see what she do. She does. What does she do, Miracle?
I don't know.
That beautiful smile.
Let's try this.
What? It looked like the water turned colors. Let me see. Can I try one time?
I'll put the water in. Take care. I'll clear all over my hands. Don't squirt it on me.
Oh,
That was so nice.
hold up.
Stop. I'll get into it now.
Okay, see if she's going to do it to you.
Let's do this.
Oh, mercy.
She got it in my elbow.
So you guys, as you know, we have opened this. She is so rad. We have opened this cute little glam glitter LOL. Mom got her favorite neon Q2. Miracle is looking to get the baby. Which one you want, Miracle?
Sweet.
Sugar?
Yes.
Miracle is looking to open sugar. So what do you guys think? You think we're gonna open that up tomorrow? Leave a comment in the box below.
Should we open
And hey, and if you're looking at our channel tomorrow, we're going to be doing a giveaway.
Yeah.
What were we supposed to give away last time, Miracle? The purple LOL. But since it's so old, does anybody still want me to do that in a giveaway? Was it the purple one? Not the aqua green one.
I think it was both.
You want to give away Biggie packs? Or you want to do a glam glitter? That's so small. What do you want to do, Miracle? We'll figure that out tomorrow, you guys. Just leave a comment down in the box below. What do you think we should give away in our giveaway? Once we reach how many subscribers, Miracle? No, 3,000. We're almost close to there. Yeah, once we reach 3,000, I don't know how long it's going to take to get there, but we're going to have a giveaway. We want to thank everyone for watching. Right, Miracle? Hey, you're having all the fun. This is so cute. You guys, these LOLs are to die for.
Mama, can I put her clothes on?
Yes, you may. Let's try off.
What about my hands? Huh?
Oh, she's so cute. There you go, Miracle. Guys, want to get her back dressed. I think tomorrow we might open a stand and put on there. What you think, Miracle? You don't know?
I don't know. Can I put the glasses on though?
Of course. She is so cute. Miracle. Can you put her glasses on? Alright, you guys. This is Mommy's favorite. I can't wait to open. I hope we collect them all, which I know we will. This is Mom's favorite. And my baby's getting her favorite tomorrow, my party pooper. Who knows?
Hey!
We might be just giving away one of these tomorrow.
Party pooper.
I'm sorry. Anyway, Neon QT is my favorite. And we want to thank you for watching Chanel Family Fun TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.